Hi everyone. Today we have to see how to install SAP S4HANA server in your laptop. So first of all, we have to download the software. So link is provided in the description. So open that link. Click on the download. Click on the download anyway. Okay, then download will start. Open that downloaded file. Right click on this file. Click on a run as administrator. Click on yes. Click on the next. Click on the checkbox. Click on the next. Now the installation will start. Then the installation is completed. Okay, then click on close. Then open your desktop. Here shortcut will come for SAP logon. So open that. Okay, here we have to set up our server. So click on new, then click on next. So whatever the server detail is provided, like application server, instance number, system ID, we have to provide here. So let's consider our description is a S4HANA server. Then application ID is a 183.82.125.202. Then 35 is the instance number and system ID is a A4H. And then click on finish. Then open your server. So whatever the user ID and password is provided, so enter your user ID. Let's consider my user ID is a trainer002. And one-time password will be provided. One-time password is a welcome 123. W is a capital. Enter W as a capital. Then welcome 123. Okay, so I will show you here. Okay, use this as a one-time password. Okay, then click on enter. Now system will ask you new password and repeat password. So enter your new password. Then click on continue. Then your system, you can access it. Okay, so this was a installation process. Okay, thank you.